Gelukkig nieuwjaar. Happy New Year.
Draai op, ook goed. Wordt er genoeg geknald.
Proost.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Glas.
Gelukkig nieuwjaar, jongens.
Gelukkig nieuwjaar.
Gelukkig nieuwjaar.
We gaan even proosten.
It was fun at Nemati and Osaka's, and right now I'm leaving, heading back to HQ as yep, it's around 3:30 at night and just about time, yeah, to get some shut-eye, I guess.
Take a right.
So yeah, on my way.
In 500 feet, at the roundabout, take the second exit at South 117 Ashdoornland.
Well, back at HQ, so good night and see you in a bit. It's Chibi's New Year's breakfast. Some pieces of cake and a pig's ear. What do you think about that, Chibi? Yeah? Aww. Come on, eat it, Chibi. It's good, and you know it. Well, enjoy. Itadakimasu. Watching Family Guy.
Wow, thanks, Spider-Man.
Ah, it's Mega Chibi. Super Mega Chibi. Oh, sweet, sweet Chibi. Are you wearing a cap today? Are you all hip now? Hey, wanna play a game, Chibi? Do you feel like playing a game? Oh, sweetie. The day flies by so quickly when you're chillaxing on New Year's Day. So right now for dinner I'm frying up some potato slices. Looks a bit like, well, a bit like that basically. Also got myself a new cooking timer, or kitchen timer, or whatchamacallit. For, yep, very easy, and it has magnets on it, so it just sticks on here. Yeah, very easy. These little guys are almost done. Ah, I guess they're done. Hey. Continuing watching Family Guy.
What did you just call me? I thought that was your name. That is...
And then it's time to go to sleep. Because it's nearly midnight. As you can see. So Chibi, enjoy your rest. And I will do so as well. Good night. Thanks for watching. And see you tomorrow. Cheerio.